In this video, we're gonna talk about AutoCAD 2D, which is a CAD software. So CAD means computer-aided design, and it's used for technical drawings and projects in architecture or engineering and so on. So you can search for this and look it by yourself. In this video, we will focus on one of these software, which is called AutoCAD 2D, and it's from Autodesk, which is probably the best and most known, most diffused and also oldest CAD application. And we can go directly into the Autodesk website to know more about this. So let's open up this result right here. It's the official website. Also, you can check some images if you want to have a sneak view about the software interface and how the things that you can do with it. So you can see here you can do like apartments or entire building plans. You can also work with 3D in AutoCAD. You have 2D and 3D, and in this video we will focus on the 2D. So we are just doing an introduction, so I will show you how to download it, install it, and I will explain a little bit about the interface, and then later on in other videos we will show the different tools and functions of the software. So let's go to the official website, which is this one here. You can download it. This is the price. You can download a free trial. You can buy it, and for the free trial you can choose. Well, this is the light version of AutoCAD. If you want, you also have like the full version. Depends what you have to do. Just look for all the information inside the official website. If you want 2D and 3D, I guess you have to download the full version, so not the LT. So you can see the various versions right here. The AutoCAD 2D and 3D, it's the full one. It's cost more than, well, almost 2,000, 1,000 and a half. So it costs a lot more than the light version. So if you want to work just with the 2D, I guess you have to go for this one. So basically, well, choose which one you want to download, and you can get the free trial for any Autodesk product. And if you're interested in the 3D, you can also see one of our video courses. If you go in the playlist page in the channel, you will find here the English, there you go, 3D Studio Max 2020 for English version, and also other 3D software right here, and Madbox, it's also from Autodesk. It's used for sculpting 3D. So it depends what you have to do. If you want to work like in architecture and engineering, AutoCAD 2D is probably the best tool that you want to use. And if you are working in the entertainment business, you may want to have a look to Madbox, 3ds Max, Cinema 4D, and so on. And you can find all the video courses in our channel. So you click here, you download this. Well, you have to go through a bunch of informations here, and you have to go through some steps. You must say, yes, I'm a student or I'm a teacher. If you verify that you are a student and a teacher, I think you will get also a longer trial. So just follow through all these steps here, and you can also get the free trial if you are not a student or an educator, or if you do, just get started here and unlock educational access to Autodesk product. You can figure out by yourself. So basically